right, another addition to the garage. Quickjacks 7000TL from Costco. Came with the wall hangers and the SUV extensions. So it's coming in a separate box. So stay tuned. This ought to be fun. All right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this live on camera. Got here. Alright, everything looks good. Looks new. That's a good thing. That small hoses. Alright, I'm gonna take all this stuff out. I'm gonna put the hoses together today. All the connections, because they need 24 hours to dry. So I'm going to put them together, and then next week I'm going to assemble the whole thing and get the lifted F-150 off the ground. All right, stay tuned. All right, let's see what's in this little box. Got the dreaded liquid sealant, which I am going to use. And all the connectors here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 2 elbows. All right, I'm sure it's not a big deal. It has anything to do with anything, hopefully, but this thing is wet. Some kind of hydraulic fluid. It's all over the bag. Hopefully it's just from assembly or them testing it. And we'll dry it up and see what she looks like. Cord. Yeah, this is full of grease or fluid. I'm gonna have to dry this off, I think. Alright, up and down button, controller, whatever you want to call it. Right. Yeah, let me dry this thing off. Alright, so this looks like it is a self-venting unit. Some of the other videos were showing a different cap that you had to unscrew every time you wanted to use it. I actually like this one. Sorry, hold on. Actually, I like this one because I can never forget to vent the pump. There it is. It did have a little bit of hydraulic fluid or ATF fluid on it. Cleaned it right up with some of these that every shop should have. Work really well. So yeah, it looks a little different from the other units I've seen on YouTube. So, yeah, man. All right, on to the fittings. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna attach these connectors to the hydraulic hoses, the long hoses. And we're going to apply sealant. The instructions say put the sealant on 4 threads, skipping the first thread. So we're going to do that now. I'll try to get this on camera. Get about 4 threads. Spreading it around, I'm not squeezing anymore. Should be plenty. Then the instructions say to turn, put this on hand tight, and then 2 or 3 turns. As you're about to see, that's not going to happen. 2 or 3 full turns. About a quarter turn. That's about another quarter turn, and already it's tight. All right, so about 3 quarter turns, not even 1 turn. That's what we got. I'm going to hang the hose like this and let the sealant stay down into the threads. And hopefully we won't have any leaks. All right, guys, now we're going to attach this bad boy to the short hose. Same way, in case anybody's wondering, all the hoses are 17 millimeters on the hose, and the fittings I'm using 7/8. So we got the wall hangers, part of the kit. Some screws. Not sure where I'm going to put them, but right now they might actually go on that wall. It's about the only wall I got left. Excuse the mess right now. It's cleaning up after Christmas and having a bunch of boxes in here. So I gotta clean this whole place up. So yeah, looking around, this is probably the only wall that I can think of to put them, unless I put them in the other garage. But we'll see. So I got the hoses all done. I got them hanging like this just so the thread sealant goes down into the threads. Any leftover that's squeezed out. So we had a little bit of squeeze out, but not much. So I just did that. I'm gonna leave them till next week. Probably in about 5 days from today. Today's Monday, the 16th, January 23. And we'll probably be back putting some of this together either Friday or Saturday. So yeah, just waiting for the SUV adapters there. These are the blocks that come with it, a 3-inch and a 2-inch, I believe. Pretty nice. Very thick. Very heavy duty. So yeah. And that's it for right now. So I'll be back in about 5 days, which to you will seem about 5 seconds. All right, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, real quick before I forget. So these go into the unit right there. And these two go on the stands. So, according to the manual, neither end of this fitting gets thread sealant. So I'm not going to install these today. I can put these on next week. Most guys I see actually on YouTube are putting thread sealant on this side of the fitting. So I'm going to do what the instructions say. It is a taper type fitting. Looks like it can go without the sealant. So that's what they say. That's what I'm going to do. Be back soon. All right, I'm going to open up the boxes. Make sure everything's okay. So far, this looks really good. No damage. Boxes are in really good condition.